Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to jump on here and share with you a recipe that I have been trying, which is for a juice. And I have been having this for breakfast in the morning, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but my skin is quite clear at the moment. And last week it wasn't really. So last week I was at my parents' house and they have a beautiful dog called Pablo. Although unfortunately I am allergic to dogs, so being around him I started to get a rash, and this time it was on my face, like around my eyes, and then the rash started peeling. And I'm sorry if this is too much information, but the point of the story is that when I came back, that's when I started having the juice. And I don't know if it's because I'm not around the dog or if it's got anything to do with the juice, but either way my skin is clear, so I am happy. And another reason I've been having the juice is one, because of the vegetables. So this way, if I'm having a certain amount of fruit and vegetables for breakfast, then I don't need to be as worried about if I don't have them later on in the day. The other reason is, well, I have a blender and I just assumed that chop up the vegetables, put them in the blender, it'll make a juice, it'll be fine. Not really. So I chopped everything up, put it in the blender, and when it was finished, it was kind of just this vegetable mush. And nobody wants vegetable mush for breakfast or any time of the day. So then I Googled, I'm like, oh, please tell me I can save this and I don't have to eat this mush like baby food or throw it out or whatever. And there is a way, one simple thing to save it, which is a tea towel. So if you are looking at making juices and you also just have a blender and a tea towel, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I also hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.